SLS 3D printing, a powerful tool. First made accessible by our easy-to-use printer that created the fastest-growing community of SLS users in the world. But lately, the world demands we iterate faster than ever. So we made our next-generation printer twice as fast. Introducing Fuse1 30W, a compact SLS printer with an industrial punch. Unlock same-day printing with industrial-grade materials and nitrogen purge compatibility for in-house carbon fiber printing. Building on a reliable end-to-end workflow, Fuse1 Plus boasts a powerful 30-watt laser that sinters prints in hours, so you can start and finish parts the same day. Re-engineered components enable the use of exclusive materials and enhance mechanical properties across our entire materials library. Plus, we reached a major milestone, zero waste printing, enabling lower cost per part so you can deliver maximum output and minimum waste, while providing whatever the world may need tomorrow and today. Fuse1 30W, industrial quality parts in hours, not days.